The Chitrik Academy is dedicated in loving memory of Rabbi Tzvi Hirsh Chitrik.
Mishnayos Sukkah, Perek Aleph, Mishna Zayin. The Mishnah starts, a tikar she'eino leo maziva, a roof which does not have any plaster on it. So this is the case of the Mishnah. We have a roof which is made out of wooden planks, wooden boards, and it's not attached with any plaster. The boards are not attached to the walls, to each other with plaster. So now this roof would be easy to turn into a sukkah. So what is the din? So Rabbi Yehuda comes and gives his opinion, and he says there is a machlekes, there's an argument between Beis Shammai and Beis Hillel. So he says Beis Shammai Yomrim, Beis Shammai say mefakpek, you loosen, v'noitel, and you take achas, one time in between two boards. I'll give you an example here. That Beis Shammai say you need to loosen all the boards, meaning that they should not be attached to anything. They should just be sitting there as if you just put them on without attaching it to anything, as well as you'll need to remove this board and this board and this board. So you need to remove every other board. That is Beis Shammai. Beis Hillel and Beis Hillel say mefakpek, you loosen oy. Here, this is the difference between Beis Shammai and Beis Hillel. Oy means or. You either loosen the boards or you remove every other board. We'll see here what Beis Hillel says. Second. And Beis Hillel say you either loosen all the boards or you remove every other board. You don't have to do both. If you decide you want to take away this board and the next and skip one over and take that one and that one, then the rest of them you don't have to loosen the rest of the boards. But if you want to leave all the boards down, you'd have to make sure you loosen all the boards. That is Beis Hillel. So Rabbi Yehuda tells us in the Mishnah that Beis Shammai and Beis Hillel argue regarding a roof which does not have any plaster, or wooden roof which is not attached with plaster. The wood is just sitting there. I guess could be it's nailed in, or whatever it is. If it's nailed in, you'd have to take away the nails, because you can't have schach attached to anything which is metal. The next part of the Mishnah, the next argument, Rabbi Meir argues with Rabbi Yehuda and says that Beis Shammai and Beis Hillel do not argue. He says the din would be if you have a roof which doesn't have any plaster, the only thing you have to do is remove naitel achas mibenatayim, every other board, ve'enai mefakpek, and you do not have to loosen the boards. So we'll go here to see Rabbi Meir's opinion. Second. Rabbi Meir says that Beis Shammai and Beis Hillel agree that you don't have to loosen all the boards. They just both hold, and they agree with it. They agree in the same opinion that the only thing you need to do is take away this board, skip one, and take away this board, and take away another board. You just need to remove every other board.